And this is all we need today. It's a loaf of bread. We need some cheese, some margarine, some bacon, and well, bacon bits, and an air fryer to make everything. It's pretty hard bread. Okay, so trick is to have little blocks. So it should be about this way, like this, and just put a little bit butter in between. See if I can get in the bacon bits. Maybe I should put in the cheese before. It's some newer experience to do that on the campsite. But, okay, let's try. Cheese. Okay, looks good. Got this one should fit right in. Might be a little tough to get it out when it's ready. In the fryer. Okay, I changed the time to let me see, to 8 minutes. And I think that's enough. It already looks pretty good. I show you. That's what it looks like. So we let it go for 2 more minutes and see what it looks like then. Okay, ready. Cheese, nice cheese crust, the bacon. Ouch, hot, don't touch it. Let it cool down a little bit before I take it out. And this is what it looks like when it's ready. Well, try to break it. Let's see what it looks like from the inside. It's kind of hard to do without losing your hat. So, yes, I have to change it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Neighbor just fixes his sunshade, so I'm sorry. But that's when you're on the campsite, you got neighbors and they're always busy, like me. So, uh, hope you liked it. Well, party bread, barbecue bread, camping bread, whatever you call it. Made in air fryer, easy, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.